Alright, let's crush this doku. This one's called Product Pairrow by Calump. So normal 6x6 Sudoku rules apply. So we're going to have the numbers 1 through 6 in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box with no overlapping. And if a cell with two arrows contains the digit n, then the product of the two cells n steps away in the indicated direction will be equal to n. So what that means is that if this, I was going to say if this was a 6, but I don't think it can be a 6. Because if this was a 6, then we'd have to go 6 steps away and we'd be off the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think we're going to be dealing with like a lot of 1s. So like if this was a 4, then the product of 1, 2, 3, 4, this cell, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two cells would have to multiply to equal 4, which would mean they were 4 and 1 because they couldn't be 2 and 2 because they're in the same column. Alright, so those are the only clues we get, which is kind of crazy. So I guess it's just kind of thinking about what these cells can and can't be. Maybe it can't be a 6, but it could be any number and then just itself in 1. Like this one, that wouldn't work for, though. So maybe this is the place to start because this can't use itself in 1. So this number can't be 6 because it would go off the board. And it has to have numbers that multiply to it. There isn't one. There's no number. Because, if I put a 5 here, then I have to put 5 in one of these boxes because 5 only has, the only factors of 5 are 1 and 5, which is impossible. Oh, so this could be 4 and it could be 2 and 2. Okay, so that's the only thing that works. This is a 4. Because 4 is the only number that isn't prime from the numbers 1 to 5, and we can't put 6 in here because we'd be off the board. And I was thinking that 2 and 2 didn't work because 2 and 2 didn't work for this one, but they do work here because we're not going to end up in the same column or row. So these ones I couldn't do 4, or I could do 4, but it would be 4 and 1 rather than 2 and 2. But here it's going to be 4 away, and the only way this works is if this is a 2 and this is a 2. I don't know why I'm doing many numbers, but these definitely have to be true. This has to be true. Okay, so does that place a 2 at least? One of these has to be a 2. It feels like these could be any number though. Okay, so no, this one goes 5. This one doesn't go 5 in this direction though. Okay, so the maximum number this can be is 3, right? So this is a 1, 2, or a 3. Can't be 1 because then the two numbers would be 1 step away. So this is a 2 or a 3. If it was a 2, we would be here and here. 2, no, doesn't work because then it would be 2, 2. 2. Okay, so if I put a 2 here, then we're 2 steps away. We need the numbers 2 and 1 to multiply to 2. And where's the 2 gonna go? It can't go here or here because if this is a 2, then this has to be a 2, and both of these can't be a 2. So this is definitely a 3. It's the only number that works there. So we have 3 and 1 in these spots respectively. I'm going to do that, I guess. So that's cool. So this can't be 1, 2. I think it could be 3. Could it be 3? Wait a second. So if this was a 3, and this couldn't be a 3, so this would have to be a 3. Yeah, so this can't be a 3. Because if this was a 3, this wouldn't be allowed to be a 3, and this would have to be a 3 because the only possibility of 3, 1. This can't be a 4, so this is a 5. Wow, okay. Because it can't be a 6, so I decided that a while ago, and this is a 5, this is a 1. So, okay, that's going to do a lot. Alright, so this is a 5, this is a 1, this is a 3, this is a 1. 3 in this box goes one of these two places. You can probably do some Sudoku now. Yeah, 1 just goes here. So 1 goes here. So 1 goes here, and 1 goes here. So these are 4 and 6 by Sudoku. So put that in. So I did all the 1s. Now 2 has to go in one of these 2s. It's here. 2 is there. Awesome. So 2 is there. 2 is there. 2 is there. 3 I already did there. 3 is in one of these 2. So 3 is there, which means 3 is there. Now 3 is in these. Alright, this is a 6. This is a 6. This is a 4. This is a 6. This is a 6. This is a 4. This is a 5. This is a 5. This is a 4. This is a 6. This is a 4. 3, 5. 4, 5. This is a little concern. Oh, 4's up here. Okay. 5, 4, 5, 3, 3, 6. And there's a doku, dog. There's a doku, dude. Finish that thing. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.